Alright, what we have here?
So today we are unboxing some products from SumoSpring International. So these are the bump stock replacements for the front of the truck. These go right behind the front wheels, which is also super exciting because this is going to help the plow, the weight, distribute the weight of the plow tremendously. They feel solid. They feel, wow, much better than the ones that are on now. Nice thing about these is all you do is literally pull out the old one and pop in the new one, and then in the truck you have a little bit of a crevice, so it'll grab on, and then this will work with weight, so it'll never come off unless you pry it
off. It looks good.
Yeah, right.
Like a 30-year-old muffin. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Way better than that. There you go. Look at that. Would you look at that? Perfect. Perfect.
These are the rear suspension on the truck, the mounting brackets with the bolts, stainless steel, heavy duty. Here's the big boys. Hell yeah. So this is gonna go on the top. This is going on the bottom, and all you're going to see is the spring back and forth, which feels great.